Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our journey through Armenia. Today we are diving into the heart of Armenian history and culture with our day 2 itinerary exploring Yerevan and its surrounding marvels. But before, don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Our day begins with a hearty breakfast at the hotel. Fueling up for an adventure-packed day ahead. Let's go.
और ये रही हमारी बस एकदम रेडी. And yes, we are 40 people traveling together. It's crazy. Beautiful and chilling landscape. बस से उतरने के बाद थोड़ा सा वॉक करके जाना पड़ेगा. This beautiful spot offers a breathtaking view of Mount Ararat, a mountain that is very important to Armenian culture and history. Standing tall in the distance, it symbolizes pride of the Armenian people. At the site, you can also find small souvenir shops selling various items. These shops offer unique gifts and memories to take home. It's a perfect place to enjoy the stunning scenery and pick up something special. Visiting the Ark of Sharon, it's a wonderful way to experience the beauty and history of Armenia. After spending some time here and capturing the beauty into our cameras, we are heading to our next destination. Now here we had to change the bus into a mini traveler because big vehicles are not allowed at that place. So if you are going solo, please book a taxi from your hotel itself. Or else you can book a trip by a travel group so that you don't need to worry about all those things. बस थोड़ी देर इन उबड़ खाबड़ रास्तों में चलने के बाद हमें जो व्यू दिखा वो तो आपको भी देखना बनता है. Not this. सबर करो सबर करो. Look at the view. By God, मन कर रहा था यहीं पे एक घर बसा लूं. खैर फिर याद आया that we are on our way to Regard Monastery. फिर रास्ते में हमें एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत से स्पॉट दिखा तो हम फोटो क्लिक करने के लिए उतर गए. Look at the view behind me. Oh my God. 2-4 फोटोज क्लिक करने के बाद हम निकल पड़े अपनी डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ. This place is fully surrounded by mountains and look at this. सिर्फ यहाँ पे ट्रैवलर्स और कैब्स दिखेंगी, एक भी बस नजर नहीं आएगी आपको. और अब हम चल पड़े हैं अपनी मंजिल की तरफ which is Regard Monastery. थोड़ा वॉक करना पड़ेगा so make sure that you are wearing most comfortable shoes. This beautiful place is nestled in the stunning cliff of Armenia. Now we have arrived and we are going to explore the ancient caves that are filled with amazing carvings and learn about the history of the Holy Lands. And here we are. This lens is very important and has many interesting stories behind it. Here, can you see the cross in the mountains? Now let's go inside the monastery. As we walk around, we discover the incredible details in the walls and how people have worshipped here for centuries. You will find these berry trees in Armenia everywhere. You can pluck and eat. Nobody will say anything. Best part of this place is it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site rich in history and spirituality. Everyone is ready to go inside the upper deck. Let's go! It's a bit dark, so better watch out your steps. Ancient beauty and very peaceful place. You can light up the candles, make your wish. The best part of this place is the upper hall, which is known for its amazing sound quality. When people sing religious songs there, the music sounds so powerful and moving. And here is our guide giving every single detail. Let's go outside. Here you will get the bench placed everywhere so you can sit and relax. Exploring this place here, every single stone tells us the story of the Armenian history. From here we will go to the back side of the monastery. The natural mountain drinking water source is everywhere. You can drink it or fill up your bottles for the day free of cost. Now we came to the back side of the monastery, and here you will find a toilet available and you have to pay 80 to 100 Armenian drams for using it. Here we found a small waterfall also where I gave a hair flip shot. And walking over the bridge, you can click beautiful pictures here. Regard Monastery is not just a historical site, it's a place of deep spirituality and peace. Each corner tells a story and you can feel the history in the air. And you can see so many souvenir shops are here outside the monastery where you can buy food like bread, fruits, dry fruits and jewelry magnets. By the way, what you collect from your trips, tell me in comment. Look how people are dancing and enjoying the trip. And me running towards the cab because we are getting late for the next destination. Towards our next stop. From here we have to walk like less than 1 kilometer. And here we found a tree with full of berries again. And what you call these berries? Tell me in comment. Walking in the peaceful lane to reach our destination. Walking. But wait for an amazing thing, I'll show you. Walking. Little more walking. Still walking. And walking. And the thing is here. I love this pulpulak of drinking water. Yes, people call it pulpulak here because it sounds like that. So many souvenir shops here also. And look, 1,000 years old mountain stones they are selling. Now we have reached and here is the ticket counter where we paid 1500 Armenian dram. You can check amount conversion in the caption below. Gharni, a beautiful village in Armenia. Our main stop here is the famous temple of Gharni. Now let's move ahead. This ancient temple is a stunning example of classical architecture.
And guess what? This is the only surviving pagan temple in Armenia.
It was built to honor the sun god Mihir and is the only Greco-Roman building in Armenia. As we explore the temple, we will admire its impressive columns and intricate stone carvings. Visiting Gharni is all about experiencing the history and beauty of Armenia. The views from the temple are breathtaking with the surrounding mountains and valleys creating a perfect backdrop. It's a great spot for taking photos and enjoying the scenery. The rich history of Gharni, famous for its unique rock formations. And by the way, I bought this magnet. The thing that I was enjoying the most is this. बेरी के पेड़ से बेरी तोड़ो और खाओ, कोई आपको कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है. अब लगी है भूख क्योंकि हो गया है लंच का टाइम, तो हम आए हैं फूड कोर्ट. And by the way, this is food court plus supermarket. So if you want to buy anything, you can buy also. Once you reach, just grab the empty chair and then order your food because this place is always crowded.
अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हैं तो साथ में थेपले पैक करने मत भूलना. यहाँ पे मोस्टली ब्रेड फेमस, lavash with cream cheese and vegetables. That was my favorite there, but you can get more options.
And yes, you will get this corn and matar pulao. We took a well-deserved break for lunch exploring local culinary delights before diving into the city's vibrant cultural scene. We had our lunch and we are going back to Yerevan city for some shopping, waiting for everyone to come, and here they are coming.
वैसे तो मुझे ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करनी नहीं होती है, लेकिन आप लोगों के लिए मैं आई हूँ ओपन एयर मार्केट. Let me take you there.
This vernissage market bustling with Armenian craftsmanship. Here we hunt for unique souvenirs from delicate ceramics to intricately woven carpets, and Tabatesahi Sahma means different types of chests made of different materials, each telling a story of Armenia's rich cultural heritage. We have reached just after lunch, so it was not that much crowded, but yes, you will get time to check out the stuffs and what you want to buy you can buy. There were so many varieties, and yes, I wanted to buy the magnet, so I bought that. And now we are moving towards Republic Square, and it was around 15 minutes walking distance from Vernissage Market. Here is our group following the guide. And here we reach Republic Square in Yerevan. Is the famous for its Soviet era buildings like the Government House and History Museum. The singing fountains lit up at night with music are a big draw. It's a lively place for events and a blend of old and new. Now we are heading back to our hotel, and here we reached.
Now let's go for the dinner.
As night falls, Yerevan comes alive with the buzz of its charming cafes and restaurants. Tonight, we dine along Northern Avenue, soaking in the city's lively ambience as we savor delicious dinner. There are n number of cafes, so you can select food according to your taste. And you can rent these scooters to explore this place conveniently. Now the day ends here, but
Stay tuned for more exploration and discovery in Armenia. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our adventures.